time to mix the bentonite clay, but before I do that, let me unbox my package for you so you can see what I have. I'm going to open up my package. This is what I got. I purchased the bentonite clay. So before I open it up, let's see what else we have inside. If you like my videos, you have to hit subscribe because that's the only way to find out when I post a new video for this 1 year of Ayurveda challenge. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Well, in China, they use this for their face mostly. So they gave you a little bowl to mix it up. I don't know if I'll use this yet. I don't know if it's enough for my hair. I don't think it is enough for my hair. They give you a little mixing tool here. And then they give you something to brush it onto your face. Let's check out the brush. Ooh, the brush is very soft. I'm gonna follow Green Beauty Channel's recipe. That's what it looks like. Very fine powder, and I can't wait to try it out. I also got Kaolin clay. It's a calcinated clay. Calcinated, I think that's what it's called. And it looks like so. But anyways, I think this is what they use to make porcelain based on what I read. Maybe there's a little bit of this today. Yeah, and then when I get the rhassoul clay, I will mix all of them together. But I really want to use it today because, hey, hard water. This is what they gave me. This is too small, guys. For all the hair I have on my head, there's no way. But I'm still gonna use this little plastic spoon they gave me. Then I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description box so that you can use it. This is a bentonite clay, and I'm going to use a little bit of kaolin clay. Maybe when I get I'm not going to use this every week either because it's a very potent cleanser. It detoxes your hair, and I really don't want to overdo it. Based on my reading, it's something you don't want to overdo, so I'm definitely going to do it maybe once a month. If I see that my hair is getting affected badly by the hard water, I would use it a little bit more often, maybe every 3 weeks or something. Okay. Alright, so I know some of you have a fancy applicator bottle for this, but guess what? I'm just going to reuse an old oil bottle. I took the label off, just going to add everything from here in there. I can mix it up and it will mix easily and it'll be easier to apply to my hair. Tell me in the comments below your experience with using clay washes. Also, what's your favorite clay? Is it green clay, bentonite clay, rhassoul clay, kaolin clay? Okay, I'm back. Taking a snack. Alright. It was an old grapeseed oil bottle. I put everything in here, use a funnel, poured it in, mixing it up. You don't need to buy an applicator bottle, you can just go use an old oil bottle that you have. I'm going to apply this to dry hair. You can apply this to damp hair if you like, but I'm applying it to dry hair. So I'm gonna apply it to my roots first. Ooh, it smells so good with that apple cider vinegar. Feels really tacky. I don't know why. If it's the kaolin clay. It feels strange. It's my first time doing a clay wash, so I don't even know. Is this what it's supposed to feel like? It's kind of gummy. It's drying really quickly too, so I'm gonna have to hurry up. Apply this along my hair. I'm finally finished Took me about 20 hours to put it in. No, just kidding. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna rinse it out, but guess what? The light will be gone by the time I'm finished, I'm sure. I'll have to show you the results tomorrow. Okay, y'all, this is after the clay wash. I don't think I could have waited until tomorrow. I wanted to show you what my hair looks like. I feel as though I can't get the residue off my scalp. I don't know if it's the Kaolin clay. I probably won't use that one again. But I would just use the Bentonite maybe and the rhassoul clay. Overall, my hair feels moisturized. I thought it would have felt stripped. Maybe it doesn't feel stripped because I put some grapeseed oil in it. It actually feels moisturized. I thought it would have felt like squeaky clean for some strange reason. Using the clay wash. That's okay. The point of it was to remove mineral buildup, and I'm hoping that's what I achieved. I hope the lighting is good and I hope you can see what's going on here. Washed it yesterday and then using the Bentonite clay with Kaolin clay. I don't think I really like the Kaolin clay because it kind of left a white residue in my hair and I don't think that's supposed to happen. The other thing too is that after I wash my hair now, I religiously follow up with an apple cider vinegar rinse. And I leave that in my hair overnight to dry because the smell of apple cider vinegar, I like to let it dissipate or go away on its own. And the next day what I do, I refresh my hair with, okay, I don't have much left, but this is my like revamped, new and improved fenugreek spritz. So that's what I'm going to use now. Guess what it is? It's a curl party, it's a curl party, it's a curl party. It's all about loving your hair, people. All it has is my fenugreek spritz, my revamped fenugreek spritz with my aloe vera and MSM. And I have my Ayurveda oil in my hair.